It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, March 20th. Spring is springing as we speak. The equinox at 5:45 this afternoon. Tomorrow, not a bad day. Sunday looks to be a wet day. Got a trough lifting out of the Southeast U.S. Little impulse out of that thing produced some light rain today. Tomorrow, I think, mostly dry, but again, as the main trough swings through, Sunday looks pretty wet. That is the radar at 2:43. And I would say, though, the rain overperforming a bit today. You can see raining mostly along and east of I-65, and by evening, almost all of that's going to be gone, and the chance of rain tonight and during the day tomorrow should be relatively small. Numbers all over the board today. Fort Payne at 57. You drive down to Anniston, they're at 71. Of course, Fort Payne is in the wedge. Cold air damming. Bringing cold air in from Georgia. Anniston at that point was not getting rain. Birmingham at 63, light rain was falling there. We'll expect a high close to 70 tomorrow. Off to the west, we have flash flood watches from Shreveport down to San Antonio and the Rio Grande Valley. And we'll see about 1 to 2 inches of rain here, but don't expect any flooding issues. Convective outlooks, day 5 is Tuesday of next week. There is a risk of severe weather over the nation's heartland, places like Wichita and Kansas City. No risks here defined for the next 7 days. But rain, yes. This is the rain through Wednesday morning of next week, suggesting 1 to 2 inches through central Alabama. All right, model fans, here's the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. You can see the wave beginning to lift out of Old Mexico. But tomorrow, I think, will be mostly dry. We'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine, the high close to 70, the chance of a shower not 0, but very small. Tomorrow night, rain begins to move in. This is midnight tomorrow night, and Sunday should be a wet day. And the GFS, again, is an outlier. Everybody else looks a lot wetter than that. This is the NAM, Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, suggesting a big old rain mass in here and maybe some thunder down to the south closer to US 80. But for us, the high Sunday should be only in the low 60s. Some spots in North Alabama could stay in the 50s all day with a steady rain. And then Monday, that rain moves out during the morning. Maybe a glimpse of the sun by Monday afternoon, the high 65. I don't know. I doubt we clear. And then Tuesday, though, should be a nice day. The sun back in full force with a high close to 70. Wednesday looks relatively dry. Again, the high should be up in the low 70s. With a partly sunny sky. And then Thursday of next week, a cold front approaches. That could bring some showers, especially late Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. And this is a week from today. And hey, amplitude increasing. Western ridge, eastern trough, cold front coming in, deep surface low near Washington, D.C. There could be some thunderstorms with that feature Thursday night. We'll kind of keep an eye on trends. It's way too early to be specific. I don't think for now it looks to be a severe weather problem. But this is March, late March. You have to watch these things. Now, this is Sunday morning, the 29th. And, temperatures down around the freezing mark down in here. We warned you about that. Here's a look at the anomalies. Looks pretty chilly in through there. So, again, our advice on planting April 15th. Way too early to plant right now. And this is Monday, March 30th. Again, we got that deep eastern trough and a cold front coming in, a secondary cold front coming through with a batch of showers there. Temperatures off the ensemble. You can see that cold shot coming in the weekend of March 28th and 29th with lows getting down there toward the freezing mark. And then highs go back in the 60s for that following week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the videos tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.